So certainly both teams trying to find their stride. Only the morning skate really to shake off any rust. As Bakersfield trying to force this one in off the draw. Shot coming, bounces off the backboards. They'll try the wraparound, looking to catch Campbell sliding. Sutter to Mario, right wing, just trying to hold on to it down near corner for Johnny Brodzinski. Pestered behind the net, Jordan Osterley will take it away. Put it on the backhand, popped up, but gloved down quickly. Anton Slepyshev right side. He'll find his way to the neutral zone. Right wing feed now under for Jujhar Khaira to the blue line. Snapshot coming. That one changed directions on its way. Joey Lalezia hooks it into that far corner. It was intended right to the doorstep of Jack Campbell, just trying to get that one just to change directions ever so slightly. Comes back to him, fires and scores. On to Purcell at the far circle, goes across the ice. Ledoux is pinching, walks all the way down to the goal line. Now races off to the far side, looks for a quick wraparound option. Lalezia gets it off of his body. Brossoit tries to find it, pops up, luckily right to his glove. Ready to go with Brodzinski. Leslie and Laverty hoping that Sutter can win this one back cleanly. Comes to Leslie. Need a little help along the way. Leslie centered out in front for Sutter. He scores! A misplay by Brossoit, could not control the rebound, and Brett Sutter puts it right over the blocker hand with 6 seconds to go in the first period. He cashes in again, 6th of the year for the veteran forward. And we reset the contest. Face-off at center. Rain will just dump it down. They'll just force this one into the offensive zone, but a quick turnaround by the Condors for Hamilton. Gets a setup on a one-timer. And a good sliding left pad save by Jack Campbell. Had the play read. Comes up to the near boards for Curry, who will fight it and get it on target. Campbell had this one pinball off his blocker. And Johnny Brodzinski will work it on out. On to Adrian Kempe. Right side backman. Give and go with Kempe. Trying to center it up for Auger. Trying to slash it out of the reach of Russell. Coming back defensively. Taken down, but gets it over to Bjorkstrand, who lets it fly from the far circle. Hit off the outside of the net. Almost rang the post. Just below that glove hand of Laurent Brossoit. Condors will just slip this one left wing, and Greg Chase, second-year pro, will chase this one all the way down to that far corner. Gets a centering effort. Quick little wrist shot from Ryan Hamilton, in and out of the glove of Campbell. Will rip it around his zone end boards and all the way up the left wing side. Hamilton will put it there. Hamilton on ahead for Josh Curry. Hurry, little drop pass. Quick snapshot off. And that one gobbled up. Greg Chase. 1-1 contest between the Ontario Reign and Bakersfield. The Condors, both goals came in the first period. Joey Lalezia at 12:07 and Brett Sutter to even things up and put Ontario on the board at 19:53. Condors looking for the backdoor play. They score. Just over a minute into the third, the Condors get a great setup off the far post of Jack Campbell and slam it home. 16 saves on 17 shots for him. Jack Campbell now facing 26 looks, 24 saves. Here's Ontario. Kempe fires, scores! Adrian Kempe right up the middle. Stick side on Brossoit, and we are tied once again. 2-2 is Kempe, a dazzler from between the dots. Condors will rip it on down. And this looked to be an icing for a moment, but washed out late. Sean Backman having to hurry back with Vincent Laverty. Anton Slepyshev. 2-point game again. He's had a productive day. Came in with 2 goals and 2 assists in his last 2. Sean Backman, right side, fires, scores! .250 left in the third. Condors have been pushing. We'll see if they can break free, and they do. 2-on-1, right wing side, they score! Scott Allen, a beautiful goal, high glove side.